Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today we're going to talk about how do we prune some irises. Let's get started. Alright, so what we're talking about today are iris plants. So I'm sure some of you guys have seen after they bloomed like this, these were a beautiful purple iris. Some iris varieties actually, they actually bloom more than once. This variety actually isn't the kind that does. So what we're going to do is actually try to prune out these dead stalks. Now the stalks themselves are still alive, but they're no longer going to flower. So if what we want to do is actually prune out each of these so we have that beautiful green foliage still lasting the rest of the season. So let's get started with that. What we want to do here is find the actual stalk here. You'll notice that it's almost separate from the rest of the plant. So you're going to go down all the way down, get a nice pair of shears and make sure they're clean, and just get down as low as you can and snip it off. So when you're done, you should have a stalk that looks like this. You're not hurting the plant whatsoever when you're doing that. What you can also do is, if you come back in on this shot here, you'll notice that around it there was a bunch of dead leaves. So what you want to do is just kind of pull out those dead leaves and kind of clean up at the same time. Keep everything off those tubers because you're trying to make sure that they don't rot out, and your plants will look healthy and come back year after year. Alright, so there you have it guys, just a very quick video on how to prune back your irises so that they look nice still throughout the rest of the season. As you can see, I've got a handful more to do, so I'm going to go ahead and get those done. But as always guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to stay safe and enjoy your gardens. Thanks for watching.